Welcome to Kitchen Chemistry. Today we feature tomato egg drop noodle soup, a family favorite recipe of Alpharetta staff person Joanne Sun. Enjoy. Here are the ingredients you need to make tomato egg drop noodle soup. You need 3 cups of chicken stock, 1 small or medium-sized tomato, 1 egg, beaten, 1 tablespoon of vegetable or cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, salt to taste, half a stalk of green scallions chopped, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 clove of garlic minced, and 3 ounces of wheat noodles. If you cannot find wheat noodles, you can replace them with egg noodles or pasta. Let's get started. First, peel the tomato and slice into wedges. Mince the garlic, chop the scallions, and beat 1 egg. In a small or medium pot, add the vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and sauté until golden brown. Add the tomatoes to the pot and cook until soft and until some tomato juice starts to collect. This will take about 1 minute. Add the chicken stock, cover the pot, and bring to a boil. Add in wheat noodles, cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat or as directed on the package. Stir the pot occasionally to prevent the noodles from sticking to the pot. When the noodles are about done, drizzle in the beaten eggs. Wait for about 20 seconds or until the egg drop starts floating on top before gently stirring. Add green scallions, turn off the heat, and then add sesame oil, salt, and soy sauce to suit your taste. You're all done. We hope you enjoyed this simple and nutritious recipe. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make tomato egg drop noodle soup, courtesy of Alpharetta staff person Joanne Sun. Thank you.